Hi everyone, I am Neeraj Chaudhary. Once again, I am back with a new Excel function that is called MAXIFS or MINIFS. These functions are used to find highest and lowest numeric values in a range based on one or more specific criteria. These functions are available in Microsoft 365, Excel 2019 and later versions. So let's understand how it works. It returns the maximum and minimum value among cells that meet a set of conditions. Its syntax is equals to MAXIFS, max range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2 and so on. Similar, MINIFS, min range, criteria range 1, criteria 1, criteria range 2, criteria 2 and so on. So let's understand what is max range and min range. The actual range of cells where the maximum or minimum value determined. What is range 1? The set of cells to evaluate. And what is criteria 1? The conditions, numbers, text or expression to apply the first range, second range and third range. So let's understand what's the benefits of max and MINIFS function. It's faster calculation. These functions are optimized to process large data sets much faster than manual filtering or multi-steps lookups formulas. In some tests, MAXIFS and MINIFS was up to 24x faster than traditional array-based match formula. It eliminates manual works. Instead of manually filtering columns and checking the status bars for a result, these functions keep your result dynamic and updated automatically if the source data changes. In summary, MAXIFS function and MINIFS functions that are powerful tools in Excel 2019 and later version designed to find the largest or smallest numeric values in a range based on a specific criteria. Now let's understand and learn practically how this function works. See, here we have some data, zone, category and their cells. And here we have some questions, maximum cells of zone wise, minimum cells of zone wise, maximum cells of category wise and minimum cells of category wise. So zone here is now west, here is north, here category is medicine and food items. So let's apply MAXIFS function first. MAXIFS. Now it's select to ask maximum range. So this time our range is this one, sales column. Now it's asked to select criteria range 1. So here criteria range is zone. Now it selects to criteria 1. So here the criteria 1 is west. And now close the bracket, hit the enter. You will get the answer. The maximum sales of west is 66,292. If you want to cross check, then you can here apply a filter. Just select the west. Now here see, the 66,292 is the maximum value which west zone has earned. Okay, now let's learn the minimum sales of north zone. Here apply minimum IFS. It's asked to select minimum range. So this time is minimum range is sales column, criteria range, zone, and criteria 1 is this, and close the bracket, hit the enter. Also you can apply criteria range 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and you will get the answer accordingly here. So minimum sales of north zone, that is 66,436. If you want to cross check, you can apply here filter and just select north. You can have a look, 436. The maximum is 69,000 for north and minimum is 66,436. So similarly, now moving to next question, that is maximum sales category wise of medicine. So here you can apply maximum, MAXIFS, again sales range this one, right, maximum range, criteria this one, this time is category because we want the details of category, and this time category criteria 1 is medicine. So this is the maximum sales of category, means medicines have a maximum sales. Now let's understand minimum, minimum ifs, again this, and again criteria range is this one, comma, and criteria 1 is food items, and close the bracket. Here we have an answer. So in this basis you can use this MAXIFS and MINIFS function in Excel based on your requirement at your workplace, and hope you guys have enjoyed this learning. Thank you for watching this video. We'll meet you in the next video with the next topic. Thank you for watching and happy learning. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.